I'm not going to ask you about Messi versus Ronaldo. I'm just going to ask you, what are you looking forward to in terms of having the biggest rivalries? Just like we have seen for 2 decades or almost 15 years, Messi
It's
and
difficult,
Ronaldo.
huh? It's difficult because
Mbappe or like Holland.
it's difficult because what they've showed us, people like the trio of Nadal, Djokovic, and Federer, or a Messi and a Ronaldo. For us, this generation, it's difficult to see beyond them. It will happen. That's life. That's how life is. But right now, if you ask me, I can't see it.
The legends.
The rivalry is talking about.
Rivalries. Like
For
that's
two people to perform at the level at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
Mbappe might have a great year. Haaland might have a great year,
Hmm.
as to what I can see. Or Rodrigo or a Vinicius Junior, whoever, they might have a great year. Alcaraz is having an outstanding year. But to see a rivalry like the way we have seen and we have been blessed, I don't know.
for years,
For years.
not for months.
That is why I say it's difficult. I don't know. I don't know for people like Messi and Ronaldo to perform the way they did for 17 years. For a Nadal, Djokovic, and a Federer. I don't know.
2024 was retirement
Yeah.
ka milestone na for so many. You
and,
the
and
others.
all of them made me cry, man.
Nadal, Federer, everything has
the
happened.
Federer
Abhi,
one, it's unbelievable.
I've seen a match of Nadal's. I've seen a match of Federer's. Firstly, I was very far away, but the magic, I've seen the Williams sisters also. A tennis match is different from a cricket match. It's different from a football match. I've been privileged enough to see all of them. But it's magical, because there is a breather between each game, each shot. But football mein nahi hai wo.
Yeah.
It's continuous
Yeah.
that is happening. So you're at this high level, and wo jab khatam hota hai, it doesn't go puss like that because you're constantly up. Whereas in cricket and in tennis, you go up and down between overs. वो drinks break होएगा, वो है, but football में वो नहीं है.
But in tennis, a very funny part is the physical aspect of the points. It is so extreme, but no one is allowed to make a noise.
Yeah.
In tennis, quiet please. You have to be quiet. But the intensity, man, I don't know if you play tennis. It's not easy. The way you have to use the whole body and the brain in short distances.
Eye coordination.
It's intense physically, but you have to watch like this. It's quiet. It's so unbelievable.
Do you like pickleball now? Do you play pickleball?
I've tried it, but it's okay.
Which sport do you play when you're not playing football?
Badminton I play a lot. I play cricket sometimes now because I enjoy it. But badminton I play
For
a lot.
what? Reflexes.
Yeah, for reflexes. Yeah. I'll tell you a quote about the retirement thing. I just realized. I just remembered. Before I was about to announce my retirement, I saw one of the podcasts, Thierry Henry's podcast, and he was talking about his thing, and he said, when a player retires, he dies once. And that stayed with me. And because he's my hero, I watched it, but I was like, why did I watch it? Because when somebody very influential says something, it stays in your head. Because I admire him so much, it stayed with me for a long time. I hope it goes away completely. That when an athlete retires, he dies once.
Like, how would you live with the fact that there will not be people, in a stadium shouting your name?
That is not the issue. Me not being in the ground is the issue. पहला प्रायोरिटी तो कभी फैंस था ही नहीं. वो तो बाई प्रोडक्ट है कि आप खेल रहे हो और लोग आ रहे हैं. And it's nice, it's important, the fans are important. But the first thing is you are not there in the game. आप 8 बजे नहीं उठे हो, आपने ब्रेकफास्ट करके नैप नहीं लिया है, आप 12 बजे टीम इंडिया के लिए नहीं गए हो, आप 4 बजे टीम बस में नहीं बैठे हो, आप 5:30-4 बजे ग्राउंड में नहीं गए हो. आपको जो बटरफ्लाइज है ना, द थिंग इज यू कांट क्रिएट नो मैटर हु यू आर. दैट बटरफ्लाई कि शायद हार जाऊंगा, शायद जीत जाऊंगा, शायद वो जो आई कांट एक्सप्लेन. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट प्लेयर्स मिस द मोस्ट. इट्स नॉट एनीथिंग बिकॉज वी टॉकिंग अबाउट प्लेयर्स हु हैव प्लेड इनफ. So the fame, the money and the adulation, वो तो हो गया ना बहुत बार. But the 90 minutes, but the pre-match, but the meeting, and the euphoria inside and the butterflies is something that you miss, and you cannot recreate it no matter who you are, where you go, no matter what I achieve post football, no matter what I do. That will never be recreated, and that is something that you did all your life and that you miss, and you miss it more when you don't have it.
Is that why many become coaches, many players become
Yes,
coaches.
to get a little bit of
But you said in an interview, na, I'm too selfish in a very good way. I'm too selfish to become a coach.
Is that why you would think that कि coach बनते हैं?
First of all, you should never say never ever.
Hmm.
I'm not know, but right now when I don't want to be a coach. और एक तो वो रीज़न है, एक रीज़न ये भी कि मुझे फिर दोबारा 7 बजे अलार्म से नहीं उठना है, क्योंकि इस गन्ने को अच्छे तरह निचोड़ लूंगा, जब खत्म हो जाएगा फिर मुझे दोबारा
Forget it. I used to also think.
Is it?
हाँ कि हाँ मैं नहीं करूँगी. फिर my children started playing tennis and football, so I became a tennis mom and a football mom. वही पानी,
वही ले जाना,
ग्लूकोज बनाना, वही खाना लेके जाना, वही वहाँ बैठे रहना, dealing with a loss, dealing with a victory, slamming of the door because he's lost a match. And then waiting.
आपने येलो कर दिया फिर? येलो कर दिया इसको कि ये सेकंड हेड घर से बाहर है, दूंगा दोबारा मत करना ये.
The I mean, the one time that I really got angry was when my son threw his racket after losing a game. He was just recovering from typhoid, and I made him play. I shouldn't have done that. I
Tennis
guess.
or badminton?
Tennis.
Okay.
So he threw the racket, and that was it. He never
खाना
played
मिला
after
उसको?
that. He
खाना
was
मिला?
no Sanskrit. नहीं मारा मैंने. But उसके बाद
खाना दिया आपने?
खाना दिया मैंने, but he was ill. 103 बुखार में बेचारा खेल रहा था. But उसके बाद वो he moved from tennis to football because that match, I don't know what it did to him, that game what it did to him, but खाना दिया उसको, but उसने खाया नहीं, he just pushed it out. These emotions you deal with,
And you can't recreate it.
so yeah, so I was like, I will not do this when I become an adult, but then I did it as a mom.
So if I have to do the same way like you're doing, I'll be okay. If my
You'll
kids
do
are-
it with your children.
Yeah, if they're playing, no problems.
You'll do
But
the
अगर
same thing.
उन्होंने अगर रैकेट थोड़ा तो खाना नहीं मिलेगा उसको उस दिन.
हाँ, रैकेट थोड़ा तो basically it's like a singer breaks his guitar अगर एक दिन खराब, or his whatever instrument. It's you worship it and then you do that. So he broke a rule which you don't do that. You polish your shoes, you clean your shoes. मिट्टी वाले जूते रख के सोओगे नहीं तुम. If you're a footballer. If you are a tennis player, you will not. I mean, I think the kit is sacrosanct,
Yes,
no?
yes, it is.
Did you make your kit yourself always?
Yes. Even now the boots I try to clean myself. I say again I'm too pampered, but boots is something I always carry my own kit bag. That's something that I never give to anyone. And I clean my boots. Rest थोड़ा क्या बोलते हैं उसको, रिलैक्स हो गया हूँ. पहले तो खुद ही सब कुछ धोना पड़ता था, but अभी a lot of
So what
people-
do you say for children who can't afford to have a kit? Not just football, उसमें इतना नहीं होता है expense शायद जैसे cricket में होता है.
I feel bad for them. That's where, as a country, we got to make sure that we help and we cover as many people as possible. It's not a good system. I know it's a worldwide system where you only when you become big you get everything. We got to change it. A lot of NGOs are doing a really good job now, helping kids who cannot afford stuff at the right age. A lot of corporates are doing it. We got to do more because, as I said, we already spoke about in this podcast that kids who play sports majorly come from lower backgrounds. So we got to make sure that they have bare minimum to at least pursue their dreams. And as a nation and as people, we should do that. Everyone should help a little bit here and there because it's sad. I've been there, and I know a lot of stories. So it's not nice.
So those children who come from these families which are socially deprived sections of society, जब वो आते हैं और वो टीम में बन जाते हैं, कुछ बन जाते हैं, do they get the same level of respect from the other players, from the federations?
एक बार टीम में आ गए, if you are good, we do not care आप कैसे दिखते हो, क्या बोलते हो, क्या बात करते हो, कहाँ से आए हो. हम टीम को मैच जीतना है. अगर ये आदमी मैच जिता रहा है, ये हमारा मेन आदमी है. वो कहाँ से आया है, क्या किसी को नहीं फर्क पड़ता. एंड दिस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स. वंस यू आर इन द टीम ना, उसका जो हार्ड वर्क और हार्ड लाइफ है वहाँ तक पहुँचने में, ही और शी मस्ट बी नोइंग इट. इट मस्ट नॉट बी ईजी. बट वंस यू मेक द टीम, whichever team it is, it's a state team, zonal team, district team, you will have the respect of the players because of what you give to the team. Everyone wants to win. I may not like the way he speaks, I may not like the way he dresses, but I don't care. He makes me win the game. He's my man. And that's the beauty of team sports.
तो उसमें वो rich kids का अपना group, poor kids का अपना
Rich kid वहाँ तक पहुँचता नहीं ना, प्रॉब्लम वो है. अगर if you're talking about the stat says this, if a rich kid reaches there, the rich kid will behave the way team behaves. क्या होता है ना, जब टीम ब्रेकफास्ट कर रही है, किसी को नहीं पड़ा है कि ये पूरा जो बहुत ख़राब घर से आया है पैसे के मामले में, उसके घर में एक अंडा भी नहीं खाने को, किसी को नहीं फ़र्क पड़ रहा, उसको वही ब्रेकफास्ट मिलेगा जो टीम को मिलता है. और एक रिच किड है जो पेरिस से मांग रहा है अपना ब्रेकफास्ट, किसी को नहीं फ़र्क पड़ रहा, उसको वही ब्रेकफास्ट मिलेगा जो टीम को मिल रहा है. टीम में एक बार अंदर आ गए आप, सेम चीज़ें मिलेंगी जो टीम को मिल रहा है. आप किसी बैकग्राउंड से नहीं फ़र्क पड़ता. दैट्स व्हाई दे से ना इट्स अ वेरी गुड इक्वलाइजर. इट डजंट मैटर ना आप वहाँ क्या कर रहे हो, वहाँ की प्रॉब्लम आपकी प्रॉब्लम है, वहाँ की सहूलतें आपकी सहूलतें हैं, वो आपकी लाइफ है. वो एक बार आप टीम में आ गए, देन यूर ऑन मेरिट. कहीं कहीं अभी भी छोटे लेवल्स पे देर आर टाइम्स व्हेन समबडी कॉल्स और किसी को टीम में ले लिया जाता है. इंडिया में भी ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है वो. बट द मोर हायर यू गो, द फैक्ट दैट यू कैन हेल्प समबडी बी इन द टीम बाय अ फोन कॉल और बाय सम, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट इम्पॉसिबल. द मोर हायर यू गो, इट्स ऑन योर मेरिट. नो वन केयर्स कि कौन हो, क्या हो, कहाँ से आए हो, किसके बेटे हो, किसी को नहीं फर्क पड़ता.
You have always put hard work over hunger and talent. I've seen in so many interviews. You have always mentioned and talked about like how hard work takes you everywhere. And even if you're talented, it matters. But hard work is the one main thing, you know.
हार्ड वर्क एंड हंगर वन साइड, टैलेंट वन साइड. यस, क्योंकि करोगे क्या उस टैलेंट का आप. एक आदमी बहुत टैलेंटेड है, अगर वो रिलैक्स हो गया तो मतलब वो अपना 100% नहीं दे पा रहा. आपने टैलेंट की तारीफ की क्यों, कि वाह यार क्या प्लेयर है ये, क्या टच है. अगर वो टच दिखाने को रेडी ही नहीं है गेम में, तो क्या करोगे उस टैलेंट का. शी इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इन डूइंग पॉडकास्ट. वेरी टैलेंटेड, नोज हाउ टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस, नोज हाउ टू. आके इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है, ऐसे बैठी हुई है. क्या करो इस टैलेंट का. बट एवरी डे आ रही, आधा घंटा पहले नोट्स बना रही, नो मैटर हाउ टैलेंटेड शी इज. एवरी डे शी इज बॉदर्ड अबाउट कहाँ है कैमरा, क्या ये है वो है. एवरी डे शी कम्स हियर बिफोर ऑल ऑफ यू. दैट इज गोइंग टू मेक हर हु शी इज. इट्स नॉट द टैलेंट, दैट्स द लास्ट पार्ट. बट टू शो अप एवरी डे, कितनी बार तकलीफें होंगी, कितनी बार प्रॉब्लम आएंगे, बट शी इज हियर एवरी डे, दैट मैटर्स.
Agree.
सो दैट इज़ वाई आई से स्पेशली इन स्पोर्ट्स कि कौन ही खाना है ना, गाली खाना है, लात खाना है, टैकल खाना है, हार के गाली खाना है. फिर टैलेंट नहीं है, फिर वो हार्ड वर्क, हंगर, परसिवरेंस, ये आ जाते हैं काम. क्योंकि एक ही पार्ट नहीं है ना फुटबॉल का टैलेंट, बहुत कुछ है.
पर सुनिए, अभी सब कुछ आ गया ना, अभी कहाँ हंगर है आप में, है उसको जगाना होता है ना. नहीं तो यू कैन बी कंप्लेसेंट कि खेल लिया इंडिया के लिए, पैसे बना लिए, कंफर्टेबल लाइफ भी आ गया, तो हंगर कहाँ से लाओगे.
अभी पता क्यों आ रहा है, खत्म हो जाएगा. अभी what my the other day my wife asked me this. I said, this is it. It's going to end tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow or whatever, and it's done. So now every day I go with a feeling of how I was when I was under 16. Ki I'm happy I'm in the ground and I want to give my best. I don't care who I am, what's my name, what people expect. Now when I go to training, I always go in a happy mood. Knees hurt, ankle hurt because you know you're older, but because I know it's gone. Like this, it's gone. Then I'm just a normal person. Then no matter what I do, I will never be able to compete. So that's why now the hunger comes from there. For me individually, others are, everyone has their different ways. My hunger right now, and you rightly put it out, like I don't want to play for the national team. ऐसा नहीं कि गोल मारूंगा नेशनल टीम में जाऊंगा, वो खत्म हो गया है. Thankfully, money and fame is not the driving criteria. So it's just that it's going to end. I will not be able to compete soon. So I want to cherish every day.
रेड कार्ड मिलता है तब कैसा लगता है?
आज तक नहीं मिला.
आज तक नहीं मिला.
आज तक नहीं मिला. येलोज मिले हैं, नैरोली बचाओ रेड कार्ड खाने से, पर रेड कार्ड नहीं मिला. I'm well behaved or I act well or whatever it is. मैं
Doesn't it feel like on the field just kicking someone and when they
man.
give you a
That's why sports, because you want to smash somebody's face,
Yeah.
but you can't.
So my son never got to either
Red
to
card.
bring back. Yeah. And I used to tell him, I said, बेशरम
एक
थप्पड़
तो
मारूंगी
लेके आ।
अगर एक नहीं. There was a time सिर्फ 2 बचे थे यार टीम में.
Entire
सबको
Yeah.
रेड कार्ड मिल गया. So I said, अगर तूने कुछ किया, 2 ही लोग बचे हैं. अगर तू रेड कार्ड लेके आया, obviously, I mean, I won't say cheating, but there was something going on.
Must be.
सबको निकाल
Must be.
दिया भाई,
Must be.
2
Must
बचे
be.
हैं सिर्फ.
Must be.
You know, I said, रेड मत ले आना, you know, नाक कट जाएगी अगर you also get a red. बहुत शर्म की बात होती है रेड लाना.
Do you remember the first time when your parents watched you playing for the Indian team, Indian football team?
Indian team.
Yeah, like they were there and you just saw them sitting in the audience.
I don't remember the exact game, but I have my early memories in Delhi in Ambedkar Stadium.
प्रेशर होता है पेरेंट्स अगर है या वाइफ
वाइफ
है?
है, हाँ.
नहीं,
मतलब गोल मार के
आई
थोड़ा,
नेवर वांट माय पेरेंट्स
लाइक गोल मार के थोड़ा एक्शन
नहीं.
करूंगा पापा के सामने.
पता क्यों?
गाली नहीं निकाल सकते ना.
वो ये प्रेशर रहता है. मेरी मॉम ने मुझे बोला, don't say those words. She watches game with her friends sometimes and she was so embarrassed and she like, जरूरी है कैसा बोलना? मैंने कहा मॉम वेरी सॉरी यार.
Oh.
कोविड का टाइम था.
बट दिल्ली निकल जाता है ना.
निकलता तो अभी भी है. प्रॉब्लम क्या, कोविड का टाइम था. Fans weren't allowed. And we have all those mics around the ground ना. So the stadium was empty and whatever we were saying was coming distinctly clear on telly. And
You didn't know.
We knew but control नहीं है ना आप जब मैच खेल रहे हो तो. So now you see a lot of players speak like this.
Yeah.
Football, you see a lot of players speak like this, go very close and say whatever, and they keep like this because cameras are so many cameras now. But then I told my mom, I'll try, mom. But she was really embarrassed as to what I was saying. But I don't feel pressure when my parents come because they have been coming from day one. My wife has been coming from I don't know long. She was my girlfriend also before, so they watch my matches.
Sledging होती है ना?
Yeah,
Do you encourage it? Do you feel it shouldn't happen? How much does it affect the game?
it does, but it's a part of our game. Our game, it's allowed. You say what?
Does it swing the game? Like for example, a lot of supporters.
Have you seen Materazzi
Yeah.
and Zidane?
But like, how do you like stay with the fact that entire stadium is filled with your opponent side? Like they are supporting.
And they say nasty things. When I went to Calcutta, they say nasty things about my wife.
And you understand Bengali,
Yeah,
so
they say nasty things about my wife and my father-in-law, especially when I play against East Bengal. But it's okay. It's a part of the game.
and then what do you? How do you speak so many languages? तो आप कौन सी लैंग्वेज में गाली देते हो?
नहीं दे सकते ना वापस आप.
क्यों?
It will become a story then.
आप
नहीं, बट प्लेयर को तो दे सकते
ओ
हो.
प्लेयर पे चलता है.
हाँ.
प्लेयर पे चलता है. अब now because of who I am, very few players come and fight with me verbally. I want to be honest. अगर कभी हो ही जाता है तो the
Which
worst-
language would you select गाली के
हिंदी
लिए?
हिंदी
हिंदी.
दिल्ली
Delhi wali.
गाली
Gun
हिंदी.
stocks.
Why
All
not
this-
बंगाली गाली?
Depends on who the person is.
जो
If
वो
he-
समझता है
If
उस
he-
लैंग्वेज
if
में
he
गाली.
understands Bengali, then Bengali.
हाँ.
But
That's
it-
what they say ना पाकिस्तान के साथ because they're also giving पंजाबी गाली and you're also giving पंजाबी तो वो दोनों
proper ठेठ
हाँ.
पंजाबी गाली. पाकिस्तानी ठेठ पंजाबी गाली. And you also increase your vocabulary when you play against Pakistan. कुछ नहीं लेके आते हैं वो लोग.
हाँ तो
जो
गोरों
नहीं
के
चल
साथ
रहा
क्या
होता
आप गाली दोगे? You have a
इंग्लिश में. गुस्से के टाइम because a contact sports गुस्सा थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही आता है. कि बोलो ना आप हेड पे गए लगा लो. किसी ने अच्छा सा कोन रख दिया आपको यहाँ पर.
Yeah.
गुस्सा आना ही है.
तो फिर वो कैरेक्टर नहीं बदलता. सपोज यू आर अ माइल्ड मैनर्ड पर्सन.
Doesn't matter when you get hurt, you get hurt. But also you understand the repercussion.
हाँ.
That's why sports is so beautiful. कि no matter, अब मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. It's such a beautiful thing कि गेम में लगा लो मैं इनको गंदी गंदी गाली देकर एक पंच मारता हूँ इनका दांत बाहर आ जाता है. Okay? At that moment I'll get a red card. He comes and does this to me. He'll get a red card. Afterwards I'll get more fines and penalties because there'll be more. He will not get that. But on that moment, just him doing this much to me, where his teeth are on my hand, in my hand, we get the same penalty. We both get red carded out. So sports teaches you no matter what has happened, stick to the rule. No matter what has happened to you, stick to the rule. It's a beautiful thing. That even if I punch him and he does this to me, we both get red card. In that game at least. Later on I'll get more sanctions. But then at that time, both are red carded.
But you like
You can't retaliate.
You're playing an aggressive sport. Like the natural tendency people will think जैसे कि you're wrestling या boxing करते हो. कल को suppose somebody hits your car. Are you an aggressive person by nature, or you?
What sports person generally I've realized is a lot of pent up energy. So we keep a lid on it. And we get nowadays, thankfully, all ISL teams, we have a lot of seminars and things where we taught about our public images, about investment, about food. We all get, all the clubs do it. So we are taught that because you are a celebrity, people know you, you cannot react no matter what happens. I tell the same to the players. Anything happens, do this, say sorry and go. हल्का सा ego bruise होगा ना तेरा. If you react, so many things can go wrong.
Yeah.
So the best way is जितना हो सके. पहले बात ऐसी जगह जा ही मत जहाँ problems हैं. और है भी तो sorry बोल, गाड़ी में बैठ, घर जा. Because जो भी हो रहा है उनका तो कुछ नहीं जाएगा. तेरा बहुत कुछ चले जाएगा.
But it's also women sports persons, women celebrities, उनके साथ होता है. People like you were saying selfie के लिए आते हैं. women के पास आके हाथ डालते हैं.
Unbelievable.
You know, it's creepy, but it's the same thing. If they react, then it's
Unbelievable.
bad. So you just slide and move away.
Unbelievable.
Because they also feel, I guess the whole thing, not everybody has a negative thing. They see you so much in their living room, they think they know you.
Yes.
Yeah.
And they have a proprietary
Yes.
thing.
Yes.
You
Yes.
know,
Yes.
Just he was explaining, people shout his names at airports and, you know, Chetri, Chetri.
Yeah. So for a girl, I can imagine it's more difficult.
huh.
Because if somebody touches me, probably wouldn't feel what a girl feels.
Yeah.
So it's sad. I know people. It's just as a society, we should be a little bit more civil.
What is the pressure on the family? As I'm concluding, this is my final question. You want to ask anything
Just
on
one more
sports?
after this one.
So my question would be that what is the pressure on your family to ensure that you are not facing pressures, in day-to-day life to keep you calm when you have a match the next
Oh,
day?
they are outstanding, man. I'm blessed. The final product that you see is because of my family. I genuinely live like that 17-year-old जिसको खेलना है, खाना है, सोना है. My family, right from my mom and dad, my sister, then my wife, and then my core group, they take care of me like Dhruv, like my son. Because otherwise what I do wouldn't have been possible for so many years. Even now, they let me sleep, train, eat, that's it. They keep me away from a lot of things. Whether it's the finances, the taxations, normal day-to-day problems. My wife is outstanding in this because even the small things that a wife wants to discuss with her husband, a lot of things she keeps lid on, especially depending on the matches and all. And she's outstanding. It helps that she's a football fan. It helps she's from a footballing family. It helps we dated for 13 years before getting married. But she's been outstanding. If they weren't in my life, for sure I wouldn't have reached where I've reached. And I'm not just saying because I have to say it, but they work really, really hard. Her task right from getting up in the morning, her and my parents, is everything about Chetri, what he eats, what he's going to eat, when he's going to come, this gym, that gym, आवाज नहीं करना, सो जाएगा. It's unbelievable. They
Because
wait.
sports persons sometimes can't be there for very important occasions. Sometimes one has heard that even the birth of a child, they're traveling. There's a
Thankfully,
match.
I had no games. Thankfully. But yes, it's a difficult choice. It's a difficult choice. And I've missed, if my wife was here, she would have started saying you all the things that I've missed. So even when my marriage was planned, I get 2 days off. We did the Calcutta bit, my wife's. Then we get 2 days off. Then after 1 month, we did the reception. And 2 days off I had. So 1 month early, we did the mehndi. So my marriage was October, November, December. In 6 days, I got offs and I gave them the offs. And everyone, my sister and my wife, they fixed everything. And that's how I got married. So it's difficult. And as I'm getting older, I see from their perspective also, it was so difficult for them to do this. The marriages, the birthdays, the cinemas, the dates, everything that my wife had to give away because he lost a match or he has to sleep is unbelievable.
But if you're playing for the country, then that is more important than anything else.
It is for me. And it is for them also. But at the end of the day, they're human beings. It's not easy. I used to think like that. कि अरे मैं खेल तो रहा हूँ. इससे important क्या होगा? मेरे लिए, yes. But even they, like, especially for my wife now, I say it because she also has her own aspirations. You know, it's unbelievable. So now she always tells me that now that you have retired from the national team and when you leave, we hope we get a bigger piece of you. I said, don't worry, I'll try my best.
So my last question is, like, there are hundreds of players who have played for Indian team, right? Like, what makes you different from them? Because from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, you are the one who gets insane amount of love, and touch wood, it remains the same.
Thank you.
What makes you different? Like, only a handful of football players that we can say that every single person in this country recognizes and, you know, loves a lot, and you are one of them. How does it make you feel, and what did you do different from others?
One, the family, because I'm blessed. Second, I've trained under amazing coaches and players. Third, I'm loved a lot. So all the doctors and physios have been very nice to me. Fourth, अगर अपनी तारीफ करनी है, one thing that I have, I think, which keeps me going is I really want this. I really want to be a player. I really want to play football. And in that department, there aren't many people who can fight with me in this world. Forget India. What I do, I genuinely love it. And I really go hard at it. Doesn't mean that I win every day. Doesn't mean that I'm the best. but I will be at it no matter what. It doesn't matter what's going in my head, what's going in my life. I want to play it no matter what.
You know, I have a question. This just suddenly came to me that you're a Fauji bacha, so I have to ask you this. In the Fauj, there is the buddy system. He has your back, or she has your back now, of course. Come what may, even if there's a bullet and it hits you, your body will be picked up and taken. You will not be left. Your father would have taught you this,
Yes.
that this happened.
Yes.
Do you face that in sports also? Is that kind of camaraderie, that kind of buddy system there in sports too?
Yes, to an extent. I'm blessed with the family also that I have. They are like this. They are too protective about me, all of them. I keep saying this in this podcast that I'm really pampered. The teams that I've played for, they've always loved me. I've always been the litmus. I've always been the main guy. I've always been the most loved guy. So I'm really fortunate. I'm really fortunate of all these things, and also that I'm in India. Also the fact that I'm in this beautiful country, because the love that I've got and whatever I've achieved wouldn't have been possible if I was anywhere else. So I'm really grateful.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.